In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play bowling on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing bowling on the Nintendo Switch is a very easy process. There are various games available for you to play bowling on the Switch, and in this video, I'm gonna highlight some of them and also which I believe is the most preferable option. So you can do this process through the Nintendo website as I'm doing here, where you can browse through all of the games, or directly through your Nintendo eShop on your console. Unfortunately, I cannot record a Switch's screen at the moment, so I am going to be doing this process on the website, but regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to start playing bowling on the Nintendo Switch. So all that you have to do in the eShop is to look for either bowling, and this will give you all the usual bowling games. You will notice that there are plenty of titles, and these are going to be not too expensive. And as the title implies, this is basic bowling. You can choose these if you prefer, but what I would recommend instead is to look for the Switch Sports. So look for Nintendo Switch Sports and you will be able to purchase this game instead. It is considerably more expensive, however you can find this game bundled with the Nintendo Switch sometimes, and as you can see, not only does it have bowling, but it has a lot more options. This is by far the best way to experience a bowling game on the Nintendo Switch because, as you might be familiar from the Nintendo Wii, the Wii Sports Resorts game was a success, so they brought it back. This is very fleshed out, it is a great experience, and you can use the Joy-Cons to play any game including bowling. It makes using them a joy, and it is very nice to do. You will be able to play online or on a single system with up to 4 players, so this is all you have to do. It is by far the best way, and if you are willing to buy a digital or physical copy, you will be able to play bowling on a Nintendo Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to play bowling on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.